Hello everybody, here's Mr. Beam from Stops Mops. Today I show you a creation of a line prism in combination with a two-color edge effect. So first I show put the layer 1 at full, put it on top, choose a nice gobo today. We choose an organic gobo. Rotate this gobo. Then I go on beam, choose the prism line and an amount like this, and rotate the prism and the z-axis and scale a little bit. So okay, and then I go to the two-color edge, this, choose blue, and oops, this was the wrong color. So and then take the layer 2, put it on the from layer 1, and put in another color. And now I take all the layer 1 and 2 and choose a nice color effect. Enjoy!